we will learn how to create chains in CLO 3D. Here we have this bikini, supported with two fabric pieces. We have fabric here with opacity 0. Press A on your keyboard and select this pattern piece first. Now press Z on your keyboard and select these two lines. Right-click on your mouse. Select Offset as internal line. Offset 0.8 cm. Then right-click on your mouse. Select Cut and Sew. Pattern link will be in the description. If you want the simulated file, you can download it from my Connect store. Link will be in the description. Next step, press Z and select these two lines. Right-click on the mouse, select Divide as internal line. We are going to use this chain top stitching here. You can download chain top stitching from Connect store. For those who don't know, top stitch can be used as a trim also. Select Line Top Stitching tool and apply it to this internal line. By using this tool, select your top stitch and change the Z offset to 0.
Now lastly apply this zero opacity fabric to this pattern to hide it.
But we need to adjust the Z offset. Pattern link will be in the description. If you want the simulated file, you can download it from my Connect store. Link will be in the description.
Let's do the second pattern piece with the same process.
So this is the final result. If you want to see how I made this full swimming suite, comment down below to let me know. I will create a video. If you like the video, then give it a like. Subscribe to get more videos like this.